I want to look on a boy. You see that pussy are one of the biggest blood clot thief in a Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Yo, me I tell you now, where that boy like Teif. And look, anybody where that pussy are come round, I want to know, check and see if anything missing. Me I tell you now where that boy like Teif. But look, yo, look on him face, you know. Big tomato. You see them boy, them no want work for nothing. You understand? Them just want watch people and then do them thing and do peer pussy whole thing. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember, feel like share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, more and big up all the subscriber them. And big up all my people them at England. Big up all my people them at Miami. Big up the people them at New York. Especially big up the 90s in New York. Now, listen. If artists want me play them video and promote their videos on this channel, you can link me and I'll play your video for a small fee and I'll promote it for a small fee. We can definitely work together on that. There is the number in front of you. You can link me via WhatsApp and we take it from there. So remember, you want to promote your music video, you can do it right here for a small fee. Thank you. You see that boy? Look on him good. Him look unassuming, you know. And him look like he's a youth who no do nothing. But you see that youth here? Him program in the rich area them. Work pastors, Cherry Garden, Narbrook, anywhere where the rich people them there. Are the same program. And you see him now, you see film specialty, him like to do certain things. May I tell you now what him like to do. Check this out. Now a girl tell me say that boy broke in her car when she go pick up her youth from prep school, dog. You understand? So I run a file pon the pussy here. And you see that boy what him do? Like I said earlier, him drive round in the rich area where the people them there. And when somebody park up them car, him use the little thing from the spark plug, the white part, and broke them car glass and go in at them car and thief them money and thief them license firearm. Yo, him do this in a less than 1 minute, dog. That's how that boy are dangerous. So, you see enough of the people them uptown we have them firearm go missing and them stop all of the grocery store, supermarket, or stop at them picnic school and them thing there. And when them come out back, them car broke in a the pussy I do it, dog. See, me run a file pon the pussy. You understand? I one of Jamaica biggest thief. Him like broke in a car. Him not broke in a people house. You understand? Him broke in a your car. And let me tell you, him come from Swallowfield area, Grandspin. You understand? Me I get him name, you know. Him think me not get him name, but me I get him name pussy. Yo, you have to stop broking at the people them car. You understand? And stop target people. Yo, me don't know how police not kill him yet and people no blood clot catch him. But mommy spot him. You understand? Cause she say him broke in her car. You understand? And she see when him drive off and then she book him somewhere else and then she remember. And then enough people now in a certain place are complain. So, me put the file together and the pussy here. Are one of the biggest thief of Jamaica. Him specialty broke in a car. Pussy me a push you out. You understand? one thing me no like, you know. Thief. Me countryman, me no like thief. Yo, me never thief from none of my friend them yet. Me never thief from none of my family them yet. You understand? Certain things me nah do. Pussy. Me a push you out. Now, anybody know that pussy a name? Send it come give me, make me do the part 2 and update the thing. But yo, my youth, you are one of the biggest thief ever come out of Jamaica. Me no know how you know they are prison. And me no know how police no lock you up. And me no know how police no kill you and people no kill you. Straight up. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And remember now, if you don't know that boy your name, you make me know it, dog, so I can update the thing. I'm out. I'm a love you.